Hey guys, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing Master of Arts in Psychology. And before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of related help related to IGNOU and assignments also. If you need any other help related to any study material or any other guidance, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can save us number for IGNOU helper, so we will provide all the help accordingly. So here the MAPC Master of Arts Psychology we are discussing here. So this is the open distance learning. It means that in which you can study without any going center, and you have to just go out for the exam. And this is the 2 years course, and this is the medium is English and specialization is psychology. So here eligibility is given here, so you need only bachelor degrees in any recognized university, so you are eligible for this. So fee structure is here 19,200 rupees for full program and 9,600 per year. So first, when you get admission, you have to pay 300 for as a registration fee. After this, you have to pay 9,200. You can pay in the semester wise also. So in the first semester wise, you have to pay 9,000. So for per year, 9,600 per year, and another 9,600 for another second year. So this is not including the examination fee. Examination fees is different from these fees, so you have to pay examination fees also. So the program coordinator is also there. The Dr. Swati Patra and the Dr. Smita Gupta is also here. So if you have another queries or another questions, so you can contact us. We will provide all the related queries related to this course or any other courses. Thank you so much.